Hello, girls. What do you think? Who was it that threw up? Oh. Hey, buddy. Hi. Good girls? Hey, good girls? You're in Brockville now. Hey, are you in Brockville? 12:30 and you're in Brockville. Pretty quick. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. Where's the other one? She's way in behind hiding.
That's why I said she didn't know she's even there.
No, she's being
behind.
sat on. Yeah, she's not too sure. Good girls. Hey. Hey. Oh, good girls. Say hi. Hello. Oh, you're thinking about it. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. No. Look at the eyes on her.